Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can fix the action can't be completed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So herein when I'll try to delete this, it will show the action can't be completed because the file is open in some other program. So how you can fix the error? At first go to start, type run, press enter and open run, or you can click on open here. On clicking you can type the following command resmon.exe and click on OK here. After clicking here, the resource monitor is visible. So this is the command for resource monitor. Herein go to associated handles and herein write the same file name which are unable to delete. So here is the file name. The name is screenshot. So I'll just type screenshot. Here it is. Press enter. It will search. And after that it will give you the result. You can check the link. The handle name also, it's under desktop screenshot 2022-06-26. So this is the same one. What you need to do, just herein right click and click on end process. Yes, I want to end the process. Click on end process. Now close this. When you will try to delete it now, it will get deleted. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily fix the action can't be completed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video.